Hello everyone, in this particular video I will be explaining you preview of this MS Excel program, and I'll try to answer all the important questions which may come in your mind before joining this program. So let us begin. The four important questions which I believe that everyone should know before joining any of the online program is, the first is, what is the power of Excel? Why we need to learn Excel? That's obviously the first question is that should come to your mind. The second question is, why this program? Why not any other program but only this one? So I will be giving you 10 reasons, not one reason, but 10 specific reasons that will explain you that why you should be joining this program. And I will also be giving you an 11th reason, and that is one of the bonus reason, so that whenever you are deciding about this program, it becomes easier for you. And last but not the least, I will be answering you how you will be benefited out of this program. The reason here is that one thing is the power of Excel, another thing is how it is beneficial to me. So all these questions will be answered in this particular video. So let us begin. So let's talk about the first thing, and that's called the power of Excel. That why in this particular year, on this particular time, you need to learn Excel and what Excel can do. So the first thing is that today Excel is such a comprehensive and powerful tool that it can do wonders. You can do wonders while learning Excel. You can do n number of things which is beyond your imagination power also. And what are those things? The first thing is you can create powerful charts. These charts I'm talking about is from basic level to the advanced level. Basic level means you can do line chart, you can do pie graph, you can do column bar graph, these are basic graphs, but you can also do funnel graph, you can also do map graph, you can also do candlestick graph. There are so many powerful graphs which you can cover by learning Excel. The second important thing is pivot tables and power pivot. These are the advanced tool which recently has been added to Excel, and this really helps you in summarizing your data. You could have millions of data on your Excel sheet, but that can be summarized with the help of Power Pivot. And you can even customize those Power Pivots and your pivot tables as per your need. The third benefit is creating dashboards. Excel has the power to create dashboards. When we talk about dashboard, means bringing all the information to a single screen. And that could be very, very beneficial at certain point of time. Next important thing is designing your own customized softwares. There are so many small and medium level enterprises which require basic level softwares. For example, their billing system, for creating a library management for the school, for creating an attendance system, for creating a POS system. There are so many things which you can design in Excel, and that to customize, you can customize that to the need of that particular enterprise. Another thing is analyzing the data. Since there are millions of data being produced every day, every second, and that is the reason why somebody needs to analyze those data and bring the insightful information from that data, and that can be done through Excel. Excel is smart enough to do all kind of calculations, all types of power formulas, and it inbuilds all kind of functions and formulas that can analyze the data. Another thing is all kind of mathematical function, financial function, trigonometric function, engineering functions, statistical functions can be performed in Excel in a fraction of seconds. So that is the reason why we say that Excel is one of those programs that needs to be learned in this competitive period. One thing is the power of Excel. The next big question is why Excel? Why I should learn it? Even though there could be something which could be very powerful, but it should be relevant to me, right? So relevance is also very, very important. So what is this relevance is all about? So the relevance is Excel is one of the most powerful and advanced software which is used in industry today. You talk about any industry, FMCG, banking, commerce, engineering, management. You can go to any field, social sciences, every field has Excel. Every field uses Excel because data is being generated and that data needs to be analyzed. You need to create those files which can store data, and that is the reason why Excel is very, very important, and it could be really beneficial for you also. The second important thing is this is one of those skills which you cannot ignore right now. Since if you are being part of any of the industry, either you're undergraduate or postgraduate or even at school level, Excel is one thing you need to learn because that can make your life very, very easy. As I told earlier also, it has applications in engineering, in management, in social sciences, banking, commerce. So that means there is no sector and there is no field of study where Excel is not required. So that is the reason why Excel is a must-have skill in this particular period. And one thing I would like to highlight over here is that nobody ask you to learn Excel. And that is one thing is really amazes me, that nobody even asked me to learn Excel, because everybody expects you that you must know Excel. Nobody asks you to learn Excel, but they expect you from you. That means it is one of those skills that this is one of those basic skills which every industry expects that you must know. When you look at the data, you will be amazed to know that out of 100 people, only 5 people know Excel in a proper way. Next to the 95% people are only claiming to know that they know Excel by just typing in something in Excel that they believe that they know Excel. They cannot do charting, they cannot do Power Pivot, they cannot create dashboards, they cannot analyze data. So what they are doing, what they are learning in Excel, how they are implementing Excel, and that is what is required. So let's talk about the next big question, and that is the why this program, why only this program, and how it is different from other programs. I promised you I will give 10 reasons. Let's begin with the first one. The first reason is it's a well-designed, structured program. These are not random videos like YouTube where you go and search a particular video. For searching that particular video also, you need to know what video you need to search. So that is the reason why this program has been designed in a very structured way. It has multiple levels, multiple modules. So that is the reason why, and most importantly, it has practice sets, it has challenges, and more importantly, it has self-assessment quiz, which really helps you in analyzing your performance throughout the program. The second important benefit of this program is it is divided into 3 levels. The program starts from a beginner level, then it moves to the intermediate level, and then it moves to the advanced level, more like a staircase. And that's why I told you that this is very structured. You start from scratch, and then you start learning beginner level, then you move to intermediate, and then you move to advanced level. So you go gradually shifts from one module to another module to another module, and that really helps you in enhancing your learning. Let's come to the third reason why this program, and it is completely online program and self-paced as well. I've seen so many people teaching Excel online, either coming in live sessions, but I believe that those live sessions always keep that time constraint, and that's why most of the people misses those sessions. So my objective is not like that. My objective is very clear that this program is completely online. All the tests are online, all the modules are online, and more importantly, even the project is online. And that is the reason why, and it is a self-paced program as well. That means you can easily play and pause with your own convenience. And you can use this particular course on either of the devices. You have a laptop or desktop, you can go through it. You have a mobile phone, you can use that. If you have tablet, you can use that. So it is compatible with all the devices, and you can learn at your own pace. Next important reason, and that important reason is lifetime access to all the lectures as well as the datasets. It's very, very important, because what happens is that, let us suppose today you are learning it, but after maybe 2 months or maybe 3 months or maybe 6 months, you will be forgetting so many things. But you can always come back to those sessions and just rewind this, recap those, rewatch those videos, so that you can have those tutorial videos always in your account, and you can come back to those videos anytime when you need it. Another benefit of this program is real-time query handling. And when I say real-time query handling, I really mean it. And when I really mean it means that if the student is facing any of the issues, if he is the part of this program, he can always message me, call me. As an instructor, I am with you throughout the program. And even after the program, whenever you need my help, you seek help in Excel, I will be definitely helping you out. So that is one thing. And all those students who have done my program earlier, they understand how responsive I am. So trust my words, because none of the online programs provide you an instructor support. That means instructor is with you on call, on WhatsApp, so that you can just message him. He's just a message away. You can call me at any hour of the day and I will be there to help you out. Next important benefit of this program is the program has an industry-based project in the end, and that's very, very important, because when you are learning something, you're doing some kind of training, you need to do some kind of project, and those projects should be relevant to industry. And that is what I have done in this program, that I have added a project, and in fact I have added 3 projects. You can do, you have a choice of doing any one of them, and so that you can even show it to anyone that you have created this beautiful project out of Excel. So this is another benefit which generally we don't find in any of the online programs. The next important benefit of this program is the program is available both in Hindi and English. That means there is no language barrier. I've seen so many students suffering while buying a program in English, and later on they're not able to understand it. And that's the reason why I have created this program, so that if you are facing any problem in terms of English, you can always have the access of the Hindi lectures also, and you can just learn it, because Excel doesn't require any kind of language. It's a software which need to be learned. The reason number 8 for joining this program is the exclusiveness of this program. I've seen so many online programs which take more than 500 students, 1000 students, even 10,000 students like Udemy, but this program has an exclusive seat for 100 students. I will be only enrolling 100 students from the first batch, so that the students can get one-on-one time with me and I can directly interact with them in whatever issues they are facing. The next important thing is, and that is one of the biggest highlight of this program, is which I can guarantee you that none of the other platforms can provide you, and that is called unlimited lifetime bonus sessions. And when I talk about bonus sessions, means that once the program gets ended and you have created the project also, and you have taken your certificates for the program, even after that, I will add up you to the community where I'll be posting lectures weekly, 1 or 2 lectures every week on doing different things on Excel, which I may not have been covered in my program. And more importantly, there is every new edition of Excel, you get something new. And that's the reason why we need to be updated. So I will be updating you throughout this even after the program, and through my unlimited bonus sessions, and which is one of the biggest highlight. None of the online platforms do this, that even after the program they are providing you that access to those bonus sessions. The next important thing, and that is obviously because you are putting a lot of effort, obviously we look for something as a reward, and that reward is certificate. And what we are doing is, we are again doing something extra, and that is called separate certificate for the training and for the project. First of all, we need to be very clear that this particular program will not be providing you the certificate for the online course. This will be providing you a certificate for training. First thing. Second important thing, the project will be separately certified. That means if you complete the project, you will be getting a separate certificate for the project. So there are 2 separate certificates, one for the training, one for the project. And as I told you earlier, that I will be talking about the last and one of the bonus reasons that why you should join this program, and that the reason is the program is really affordable. You can look at my website that what is the price of the program, and you can compare it with any of the other programs which are providing these kind of benefits. I can guarantee you that this program has something unique to offer which other platforms are not offering, and that too at an affordable price, because that is what my motto of my company is. And last but not the least, 100% refund of your fees if you are dissatisfied with the program after module 1. This happened with me so many times that when I joined an online program, and after joining that online program, I felt that this program is not really helpful for me, but later on they didn't refunded my fees, or they refunded only 20% or maybe 25% of my fees. But right now I'm promising that if you don't like this program or you're dissatisfied with this program after the module 1, you can just message me, sir, I'm not liking this program, I'm not satisfied with the program, and you can take the refund, 100% refund. That means it's a risk-free program. Now the question is, obviously I've answered you the first 2 reasons that why Excel need to be learned and why this program. Let me answer you that how you will be benefited after doing this program. The first benefit you will get, that you will be developing a skill that is highly demanded in industry. I've already told you that in every industry you need Excel, and that is the reason why it is one of those tools which helps in not only analyzing the data but also preparing the data. So that is the reason why you cannot miss this skill, and that is the reason, and that's the first point. The second point is, you will learn MS Excel from beginner level to intermediate level to the advanced level. So that means you will become like a pro in Excel. It's more like a master specialization. That means you will be ahead of your competition, since other people may not be knowing Excel, where you will be knowing that. Third reason is, this will boost your profile. When I talk about profile, means your resume, your CV, which you are making for your employment perspectives. So there you can write about your training, you can write about your project. So that means that you are doing one program, but there are 2 columns, there are 2 sections of your resume which is getting updated. That's really beneficial. Another thing is, this will also enhance your employment opportunities, because as I told you, Excel is a highly demanded skill. You must learn this, you cannot ignore this. It really helps you in employment opportunities when you have a detailed knowledge about Excel. Another benefit is, you are getting a separate certificate for the training as well as for the program, and that is one of the biggest benefit of this program. Last but not the least, I would just summarize everything in a nutshell. This is a very small investment for your self-learning, for your self-development, which will help you in building up a skill, and that will always keep you ahead in this competitive environment. I hope I have answered all your questions. In case you have any questions, you can visit to my website that's called www.skillics.in, skillics, and just go to that website. My WhatsApp number is integrated over there. Just message me whatever queries you face about this program. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this particular session. I've summarized most of your frequently asked questions from me. Thanks for watching. We'll be meeting in the program and hope to see you in the program very soon.